Apple will release two versions of the iPhone SE2 in 2020. iPhone SE February 2020. Apple will release two Apple smartphones, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Insiders have been talking about the new generation of iPhone SE since 2019. New leaks regularly appear on the network about the characteristics and even the price of a future novelty. It has now become known that this year we can see two versions of iPhone SE2 at once. According to Apple, in 2020, it can immediately introduce two iPhone models, which can be considered the successors of the iPhone SE. Details: one of the new iPhone SE2 models will really be the long-awaited State Employee. It should be presented in March. At the same time, during the autumn presentation, we will see another version of the iPhone SE2. Probably the name will be different. This will be an improved model. She will receive an LCD display with a diagonal of 5.5 to 6.1 inches. What is it for Apple? With the new version of iPhone SE, Apple can take two categories of the market. This might be a budget option for those who really wanted an iPhone but couldn't afford it. The second model is an option for those who are looking for a new version of the iPhone with modern features, but in a classic design with frames and a home button. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, iPhone SE2 will combine the design of the iPhone 8 and the internal components of the iPhone 11. It will go on sale in memory configurations of 64 GB and 128 GB. He also predicts that the starting price of the new budget iPhone SE2 will be $399.